Now let's start with tenses. We are doing tenses and we learn different forms of present tenses. Today we will be doing past simple and past continuous. Let's begin with past simple, or we can call it past indefinite also. Okay, so this is the time to describe the actions that took place in the past time. जो एक्शन पास्ट में हुए हो उनको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए ये यूज़ करता है. Just think the action started and completed at some time in the past. Fine. The action started and completed in the at certain point of the time in past. Like I went to market yesterday. Okay, I went to the market yesterday. In this sentence, I need to say that the action started and completed. कल गए और कल action complete हो गया. Fine. So the structure for this is subject plus verb's second form and object. Nothing. The simplest use of the tense is formed in the past simple, and most commonly used tense is this past tense. Fine. This is used to write or describe the events that took place in the past. Stories. The most important part of your writing is story writing, and this tense is used here. So you have to learn that very properly. The structure for this is, as I told you, I went to market yesterday. For using the tense in a correct way, you have to learn the different forms, 3 forms of the verbs properly. Okay? Subject. How do we make it? This is assertive sentence. Assertive. Then I want to make a negative of it. It is subject plus did. This helping verb is added to make interrogative or negative sentences. I, subject plus did plus not plus verb's first form. Now you have to take care, very precise about using this past tense in negative form is did is added and what first form is used here, that comes object. I hope you have got it. Interrogative sentence is made. अक्सर गलत करते हो तुम ये लिखने में कि I went to the market yesterday. If I ask you to make this negative, what you will write? That I not went. Generally, you just skip the use of helping verb did. So this is subject. यहाँ क्या लिखूंगी मैं? I did not. अब went is the past form of the verb go. So I have to write did not go to market yesterday. Okay. Then interrogative. This is the negative, sorry. This is negative statement. Now we make interrogative one. So this helping verb is put at the beginning. These all are yes no type questions or helping verb type questions. Did I go to market yesterday? Okay. This tense is used to show, as I told you, the action started and completed in the past, to indicate past habits and repeated events. Like I always rode a horse when I lived with my grandparents. Fine? Or the habitual past action is used with the help of the verb used to. I used to go to temple with my grandfather when I lived with them. Okay? Then to describe two actions that took place in the past and the one which took place earlier is the past simple. Fine? Like the light went out when I was reading. ये एक्शन चल रहा था और उस समय कुछ एक्शन एक और हो गया, तो जो एक्शन कंप्लीट हो गया, we have used this past simple way. Okay? So this is past simple, the uses and the structure of it. So the next tense is past continuous tense. This tense is used to show an action that was in progress at some point of time in past. कोई एक्शन पास्ट में किसी टाइम पर प्रोग्रेस में था, ये दिखाने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. So the structure of this is subject plus was oblique verb plus ing form of the verb plus object. Students, be very precise about learning tenses, because in these parts, in these tenses, especially past and present, they will always be helpful in writing correct sentences of any writing section or any answer. So this is an example of assertive statement, like I was writing a letter. Okay, fine. This was and were. Was is used with singular nouns as well as I. All the singular nouns and I carry was with it, and you and plural. I am singular nouns. She was, he was, it was raining heavily. Singular nouns and I. You and all the plurals carry were. This is was, this is were. Fine? Now, if I make it negative, I simply have to write I was not writing a letter. Then was I writing a letter? Interrogative sign. Was I writing a letter? Because I have to put this helping verb at the beginning of the sentence in the negative interrogative sentence. And while making a negative one, I simply have to add not with this, because helping verb is always there in past continuous, was or were. We just simply have to write this not with, not in the negative sentence just after the helping verb. Now its use. First of all, it is used to show the continuity of an action at certain point of time in past. Past में कल को action हो रहा था. Like when I reached home my mother was cooking delicious food for me, or my mother was baking a cake for me. When I reached home, my mother was baking a cake for me. जब पास की कोई एक्शन है, remember one thing, when it is a past action and another action was going on at that time, we use past continuous. It is also used to show or to denote an action that was going on during the given period of time in the past. While you may note down the sentence, while Rohan was filling the hole, the dog was digging another. So have you got it? Apart from it, when the adverbs like always, continually, when these adverbs are used in past, we use past continuous. She was always nagging. पास्ट में कोई हैबिट थी, उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं past continuous tense. So this is all about the rules and structure of the tense past continuous.